Yo, what's good, guys? Today we're outside on the EBOX Dragster, and today I got something sent to me by EBOX. It's these purple pegs right here, bro. Dude, these things are fire. They got grip tape on it. I've never really had a pair of pegs on my bike before. I never really rid too many bicycles that had pegs, so this is gonna be my first impression. And the reason why they sent me this here, guys, is because of this teeny little minor dent right here that came in from shipping. I sent them an email. I'm like, hey man, I thought my bike was gonna come in pristine condition, and they were like, oh, we'll just send you a pair of pegs to make it right. I'm like, hell yeah. Alright guys, I hope the view is good. I am using a GoPro Hero 7, not the black, so it doesn't come with like some specific features, unfortunately. Oh, my front tire needs some air. Put my feet on them. Stand up. Oh. Stand up on them, but that feels so weird. It like changes the whole center of gravity. Now that's so nice though. You can just stand up on it, bro. You feel like you're right on top of the bike. It feels like almost a bigger bike. Yeah, these pegs are definitely gonna turn me to a god, bro. Yeah, I used the pegs right there. That was so easy to get up. God damn it. But yeah, guys, what I think about these pegs is that they're honestly fucking sick, and they're gonna help me get better at wheeling, honestly, because then I can just put my feet up, bam, bam. Still trash though, still absolutely garbage, but you know what, that's okay, because I want to see the progression like from a year from now and see how much better I get, because I'm putting in that work, guys. Trust me, I'm trying to ride every single day at least for 20 minutes. All right, yeah, I got my brother on the camera. He just popped by for a quick second. Let's see what this thing got.
Pus. Oh, these right here, proper. Oh, come on, man, damn.
As you guys can see, these pegs are a little bit difficult for me. I still gotta get used to them. So yeah, guys, these things are sick as fuck. They're gonna help you with your wheelies, help you get better, and you can do all sorts of new things on this bike with these. You can just try new tricks and try all sorts of new stuff. So yeah, guys, that shit was dope. I'll catch you guys later.